Hello, health enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a golden spice that has captivated wellness seekers for centuries turmeric. You've likely heard about its incredible benefits, from supporting joint health to boosting your body's natural defenses. But are you truly getting the most out of this amazing root? Turmeric's magic largely comes from its active compounds called curcuminoids, with curcumin being the most prominent. This powerful component is celebrated for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It's a true powerhouse for overall well-being. Curcumin helps combat oxidative stress and supports a healthy inflammatory response throughout your body. It's a fantastic natural ally for maintaining vitality. Many people incorporate it into their daily routine for these very reasons. Here's the catch. Curcumin, while incredibly beneficial, faces a significant hurdle. On its own, it has very poor bioavailability. This means your body struggles to absorb and utilize it effectively. Much of the curcumin you consume might pass through your system without delivering its full potential. Imagine having a super ingredient but only being able to access a tiny fraction of its power. That's the challenge with turmeric alone. This is where our secret weapon comes into play, transforming how your body interacts with curcumin. This is where the humble black pepper steps onto the stage, ready to revolutionize your turmeric experience. Black pepper contains a remarkable active compound called piperine. This isn't just for flavor. Piperine is a game changer for nutrient absorption. Piperine is the key to unlocking turmeric's full potential. It's a natural enhancer that works synergistically with curcumin. This dynamic duo creates an effect far greater than either ingredient could achieve alone. So, how does piperine work its magic? It significantly enhances curcumin's bioavailability. Studies show that piperine can increase curcumin absorption by an astonishing 2,000%. That's not a typo, it's a massive boost. Piperine achieves this in a couple of ways. It helps prevent curcumin from being rapidly metabolized and excreted by your liver. It also increases the permeability of your intestinal wall, allowing more curcumin to pass into your bloodstream. The benefits don't stop at enhanced absorption. Both turmeric and black pepper offer their own unique health advantages. Black pepper itself has antioxidant properties and can aid digestion. Together, they form a formidable team. This combination supports a holistic approach to health. You're not just getting more curcumin, you're also benefiting from the individual strengths of each spice. It's a truly powerful partnership for your body. Adding this dynamic duo to your diet is simple and delicious. When cooking with turmeric, always remember to add a pinch of black pepper. This is especially true for curries, soups, and golden milk. For those using turmeric supplements, look for formulations that include piperine or black pepper extract. This ensures you're maximizing the benefits of your investment. Always consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice on dosages. So, there you have it. The secret to truly harnessing turmeric's incredible power. It's not just about the golden spice itself, but about pairing it with its perfect partner, black pepper. This simple addition can make all the difference. Embrace this powerful combination and feel the enhanced benefits for yourself. Your body will thank you for unlocking the full potential of this ancient, healing spice. Stay healthy. Stay vibrant.